And I want you guys to know that if you do want to watch me trade live on a daily basis, it all starts with you clicking that first link in the description below. Taking the time out of your morning, even if it's only 5 or 10 minutes, hop on, see what we're looking at, see what we're talking about. Usually we go live from 30 minutes to an hour. We're currently at 45 minutes. And take that first step into learning how to day trade, learning how to get in and out of positions, learning how to manage your risk. That is going to be beneficial to you in the long run. You could learn by yourself. It might take longer, or you can jump on these live streams and you can learn much quicker and much faster with a community of like-minded individuals who don't want to do anything more than just learn how to be more consistently profitable in the stock market. So I appreciate you guys' time. Manage your risk, understand your risk tolerance, your emotions. If you're over leveraged, if you're trading with too much size, make sure you understand to reduce your size, to lower your exposure. And trading should be fun, it should be rewarding, it shouldn't be stressful, you shouldn't be frustrated. And if you're feeling those emotions, reduce your position size. When you first start learning how to trade, it's not even about earning money. That's why it's called learn to earn, right? You're learning and then you're evolving to earning. Learn to earn. It's two different acronyms. You're learning to earn, but it's also learn to earn. So you're moving from phase one of learning to phase two of earning. It's you're going from crawling to walking, and then eventually you can run. But Learn to Earn is a community that I've created to help those beginner traders, to help those people who are struggling to even break even. You might be a trader right now who's losing money on a daily basis, blowing accounts. Maybe you're into futures, whatever it is, stocks, options. There's had plenty of people that have come in here who have been seeking answers, who have been seeking a different way of trading, a different psychology of thinking when it comes to trading because they've been losing for so long or breaking even, right? I lost 100, I made 100. I lost 100, I made 100. And then at the end of the week, you didn't make any money and you didn't lose any money. There are stages and there are levels to this trading game. And when you're with a community of like-minded individuals, when you're with someone who trades live every single day, you can then develop your own skills, your own emotional control, your own risk tolerance, your own identity as a trader. And that's what it's all about. So I encourage you guys to join the Discord. It doesn't have to even be my trading community, it could be another trading community. But it's all about learning as fast as you can so you can go from the learning stage to the earning stage, to go from losing money to making money on a consistent basis. Understanding win rates, understanding risk to reward, understanding trade ideas, understanding trade setups. When do I enter? When do I get out? And if you're struggling to answer any of those questions, then you definitely should not be taking trades with real money. I highly, highly recommend, highly suggest you paper trade first. Paper trading is going to be your best friend when learning. Why not learn how to trade stocks, how to get in and out of positions with fake money? With money, you have no monetary risk of losing. A lot of people want to get in and start making $100 a day when they've never even made $1 or $2 a day. And then they lose their money, they get frustrated, and then they never want to trade again. They say the market's rigged, they say the market's a scam, and really you just never took the time to develop your skills as a trader to actually put the time and the work into trading. You don't learn how to write on the first day. You have to go to school for years to learn how to write. You don't write full on paragraphs and sentences on your first day. You first start with learning letters. How do I create the A? How do I create the F? And then from there, you can then put those letters together to make a word. Then you learn how to write words. Then you learn how to write sentences. Then you learn about paragraphs and combining those sentences and words. It all starts with the first step, learning, and then later, earning. And we've all been in different stages of this. We've all been at the learning stage. And we're all currently at different stages of our learning and growing. I'm still learning every day, and I've been trading on a daily basis for 2.5 years. Since January 2024, I have been trading. And even before that, I started investing and learning about trading in 2017. So we're now going on 9 years of just being in the market, taking long-term positions, taking swing trades, trying options, trying day trading, trying pre-market momentum trades, trying all these different styles of trading to figure out what works for me. Breakouts, range trading, um, reversals, dip buys, dividend capturing. There's so many out there. My style might not be right for you, but it's a great community to be able to join and learn different styles. There's people in our community that trade options. There's people who only go long and buy the dip. There's only people who short, but making sure that the opportunity presents itself before you take a trade, understanding when to buy, when to sell for a profit, and when to get out for a loss. Those three things are the most important and most crucial thing before even clicking the buy button. Where is your entry? Where is your stop loss? Where is your take profit? And we can't control where our take profit is. We can only control where we buy and where we want to accept a loss. Other than that, we can take profit at a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4 RR. The best thing that you can do is be on the defense of your trading account, not necessarily the offense. Everyone thinks about, hey, I can make $100, I can make $200 on this trade, and then they never look at how much they can lose. Oh, actually, I could lose $100. So is it worth risking $100 to make $100, a 1-for-1 risk to reward? Or would it be better for that setup to come back down a little bit? Maybe you're risking $20 to $50 to make $100. Now that risk to reward is much higher. For a $20 to $100, that's a 1-for-5 risk to reward. If it was a $50 risk to $100 reward, that's a 1-for-2 risk to reward. And we need to understand these things, these terminologies, these psychology behind trading before we even take a trade. So I hope my rant helps. And as I am ranting, MSTZ is down back to 1110. So it pushed up to 1130. That would have been a nice little spot to take some profits. Pushed down to 1109. We're literally back to where we'd be break even. And that can also be frustrating. If you're getting in at 11, it pushes up and comes back down to 11 and you never locked in profits, you literally didn't make any money. You're break even. And I know that can be frustrating. And what if it goes against you and begins to sell off? Now you actually are down money because you didn't manage your risk. You didn't raise your stop. You didn't lock in profits. So it went up and came back down without you. You got in. You didn't take profits. It came back down. Now you're back to break even or even down money. So understanding the different levels of trading is going to be your first step when starting out. So I appreciate your guys' time. Thank you for showing up today for the ones that did. And if you did show up, or you did, and you are showing up to the market, maybe not even these live streams, but you're showing up to the market every day, you're willing to learn, you're here watching, that is going to set you apart from the 95% of people that don't. Everyone wants to make money in the stock market, but not very many people want to put in the work. Not very many people want to show up for themselves. It sounds good. I'd love to make $100 trading, but then they can't even wake up early, get out of bed, and show up. They can't even sign up with the Webull platform using a link to get free money. So if you are not one of those people, you want to take it a step further, I encourage you, sign up with the first link below, sign up for Webull, get access to all this great value, all this great content, and you're going to be in a much better place than 95% of people who want to do it. You'll be in the 5% that are actually taking the time to do it. So with that said, I appreciate you guys. You guys have a great rest of your day. And smash the like button for me. Later, team.